Phone via you.
No cell phone.
Via you.
Daddy don't want to let you borrow the phone because we need to sleep. It's already 6 a.m. and you're not sleeping yet. What's wrong with you? Why can't you sleep? Borrow the phone from? Who are you going to borrow the phone from?
I had to borrow the phone.
But Daddy don't want to borrow the phone because it's 6 a.m. You didn't sleep yet.
Is Daddy and borrow the phone?
Sleep na, anak. Sleep na. When you wake up, you play cellphone.
Oh, look.
Daddy, go on. It's gone. It's gone on your phone.
Actually, Daddy's angry already. Do you want Daddy to be angry?
I miss you. I'm all no. It's no good. No. This is no good.
Sleep na.
It's again. It's no more phone.
Yes, because Daddy wants you to sleep. You didn't sleep yet. It's already what time? It's already 6 a.m. You're awake from 8 p.m. to 6 a.m. Don't cry. When you wake up, you're going to borrow the cell phone, okay? Alright, good night. Do you want to pray?
It's gone.
It's not gone, it's there. Do you want to pray?
It's gone. The phone.